Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how Trip.com flight booking works. All right, let's begin. First, open the Trip.com app or visit the Trip.com website using your browser. The platform will automatically redirect you to your region. On the home screen, tap on the Flights option to continue. Now, select your departure city and your destination city. You can search for locations manually or choose from the suggested list. After that, select your travel dates, including return dates if needed, and tap Done. Next, choose your flight preferences. You can select Economy, Premium Economy, or filter results by choosing Direct Flights only. Once everything is set, tap on Search. Trip.com will display all available flights based on your selection. Review the options and choose a flight that matches your schedule. After selecting your flight, tap Continue. You will see different pricing plans. Choose the one that suits you. Now enter passenger details, including full name, nationality, and date of birth. Save the information, enter ID details, and continue. Once completed, your flight booking will be confirmed. So that's basically how you can see how Trip.com flight booking works. That's it for this video. Thanks.